Okay, so my name's Hannah. I started major art department about 2 years ago. I've been working in set design since 2017, 2018. My job is essentially I get a treatment or a creative or something from a director or producer. Sometimes even the artists themselves will reach out to me, and then we kind of go from there. My favorite types of sets are when a director calls me and is like, hey, this is my vibe, this is my budget, do something cool. Your biggest job, and arguably one of the most important things about my job, is selling it. The more visual references you can provide when walking a client through this kind of stuff, the better it's gonna be. So, keep track of everything you do so that when it comes time to show someone what you have done and what you're capable of, you have record of it. There's so much that goes into this. Everything that you see in front of a camera when we're building sets, we put that there. Everything that is there was precisely put there with, thought and consideration. And I mean, it gets stressful. It's a lot. There are so many instances in this career that, make you want to quit. But what it comes down to is this is the best job in the world.